welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. This morning I kind of went through my list of the unboxings I have done because I kind of forgot which ones I've done, which ones I hadn't. So I pulled this one out I haven't done. It's a 62 3-in-1 hardtop kit, so it is for the 62 Chevrolet. If you remember, I have done a 62 Buick Special Wagon and a 62 Nova convertible. So get this out. So this is like your typical 3-in-1 kits, but this one kind of says here, bonus parts included for 1/25th scale motorcycle. That's a new one on me. So all right, this one's got George Barris's name on it there. So let's open this up, take a look at what we got here. Oop, that kind of popped up in there. All right, so we got the body here, so we got the Impala logo there. So it doesn't say Impala on the box, but there's the, see, is this glued in? No, it's not glued in, it's just sitting there. Then the bottom of it there. Let's see, we've got, okay, so Impala Styline Sport Coupe Kit. There's the instructions. Okay, basic assemblies. Doesn't seem to be a different option on the engine there. Okay, so stock, custom. Here's some things to use body filler for the custom taillights if you want to do that. Optional front end. And then of course custom hints by George Barris. So they're saying, Triumph motorcycle assembly. I wonder if those are in there. So we'll set that aside. Alright, got the hood. Looks like it's in decent shape. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. Yes, all that just came out as one piece. Alright, okay, this is your interior parts. So front seat, left seat, rear mat, right front mat. Okay, let's see if I can, looks like everything's kind of stuck to this vinyl here. Oh, in the tires. Of course. Oop. Come on. Oh golly, that's got a lot of melting going on where a tire was there. So it looks like my stepdad glued the engine together. Put the tires together. Looks like he wasn't going to go stock on this. Oh, okay. This thing had like a adhesive on it. Looks like. Oh, something just came off there. Something else. Some of the custom parts are coming off. I don't see the motorcycle parts, so. Okay, there's that. Got a little thing for a little trophy, stock wheels, custom wheels. Okay, there's your intake. Optional one, there's looks like a stock air cleaner for the grill. See, this stuff is still kind of Oh, is that a little rat fink? Oh, almost looks like it, but it's laid on something that's melted. Little character's gone. Okay. I don't know if this was originally in there or not, or for something my stepdad put in. I'll keep this out because that seems to be the problem with everything sticking, is that piece of vinyl there. Oh. Okay, a lot of this is just stuck to the wheel. I think this is the worst I've seen. Oh man, it's got the back glass there. So, all right, that's a big flat piece for something. Is that most of some of the custom stuff? I think I do have a plastic bag I can put these wheels in, so a lot of stuff won't continually get stuck. Oh, there's the motorcycle frame right there. There's the other half of the motorcycle frame. A little metal clip of something. Alright, let's see. The grill. The front grill looks in pretty good shape. I think that's just a plastic tee. Here's a custom side. There's a rear bumper. Rear bumper looks good. Piece of sandpaper. There's another custom grill. Alright, got the tail lights. Custom and original. Got the axles. Alright, steering wheel. Because part of the part of the trophy, part of the engine, valve covers, exhaust, wheel cover, and the screws. So, okay, there you have it. Like I said, we do have all four wheels and tires. So all that seems there. It's just we got a couple pieces that are iffy, the biggest one being the little window there. So there you have it. Quick unboxing of the 62 AMT 3-in-1 Impala kit. So, but thanks for watching. Don't know that I'll put too many or any photos on this up on the Instagram page. So I just want to do a quick unboxing video. Hadn't done one in a while. But thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to the page if you haven't already. Thanks.